Hello fellow plant friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm showing you how I assembled and set up my IKEA milsbo tall greenhouse cabinet. And obviously I started by unboxing the parts. And then started assembling it according to the instructions. When the cabinet was assembled, I moved it to the living room and then started attaching the lights using double-sided tape. I know there's a lot of people that drill a hole into the bottom of the cabinet to feed all of the cables through. I decided not to because I just bought grow lights and a fan with cables small enough to fit in the gap between the doors and the cabinet itself, so I didn't have to do the extra step. I attached the rest of the grow lights to the bottom of the shelf in the cabinet, again using double-sided tape. When all of the grow lights were attached, I started adding my plants. My begonia black fang, my begonia ferox, my pitcher plant, my lipstick plant, my variegated Miranda, and on the bottom shelf, my Alocasia Sabrina black stem, 2 of my Gypertias, my Monstera adansonii, my Gypertia majestica, and the Philodendron pink princess. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.